What obligation does a lawyer owe to report another lawyer's misconduct? The court considered that question in re Riehlmann. Michael Riehlmann, a criminal defense attorney formerly employed as an Orleans Parish assistant district attorney, met his close friend and colleague Gerry Deegan at a local bar. Deegan was also a prosecutor who'd switched sides. Deegan revealed that he had terminal colon cancer. Deegan also admitted that he'd suppressed exculpatory blood evidence in a case years earlier, but he didn't identify the case or the defendant. Riehlmann urged Deegan to fix the situation. Deegan died 2 months later, without having done anything to fix it. 5 years later, authorities prepared to execute John Thompson, whom Deegan had prosecuted. A month before the scheduled execution date, Thompson's lawyer discovered a lab report stating that the perpetrator had blood type B. Thompson was blood type O, so the report excluded Thompson as the perpetrator. But neither the test nor the physical evidence had been disclosed to Thompson's trial counsel. When Riehlmann heard this, he realized this must have been the case Deegan mentioned. Riehlmann gave Thompson's attorney an affidavit swearing to what Deegan had said. Riehlmann fully expected that Thompson's attorney would report to the district attorney and the court. A month later, Riehlmann reported Deegan's misconduct to the Office of Disciplinary Counsel, or ODC. Riehlmann testified regarding Deegan's statement, admitting that he should have reported Deegan's misconduct earlier. The ODC charged Riehlmann with an ethical violation, alleging that his failure to report Deegan's misconduct violated 2 ethical rules. First, Riehlmann violated his duty to report professional misconduct, and second, his conduct was prejudicial to the administration of justice. A hearing committee found that Riehlmann engaged in conduct prejudicial to the administration of justice and recommended a public reprimand. The committee further found that Deegan's disclosure didn't identify Thompson as the wronged defendant or trigger Riehlmann's duty to report misconduct. Thereafter, the disciplinary board found that Riehlmann had both violated his duty to report misconduct and acted in a manner prejudicial to the administration of justice. The board recommended suspension from the practice of law for 6 months. The Louisiana Supreme Court then considered the matter.